Hi everyone, welcome back to networking. So we are going to announce our two more products. So first is NK Prime, which is like 1 year subscription membership. Okay, where more than 2000 plus videos are inside this course. Okay, so not only videos, like if you take this course, you'll be getting discount on the live courses as well. Okay, so learn anytime, anywhere, like you can access this from mobile and all. So if you see what we are here, so this is a 1 year access to the entire content library. Okay, so whatever course videos we are going to keep updating this library. Okay, तो ये पूरा एक वीडियो, पूरी जितने भी कोर्सेज हैं हमारे सारे वीडियोस हैं इसके अंदर. So like from top level, advanced level, beginner level, mostly all courses. Okay, so the best part in this membership, suppose you have taken this membership but you want to join any live batch also. Okay, so this is like purely video library, but if you want to join the live training, there is a flat 50% discount on live training programs. So just consider, if you are good at maths. Okay, so if you take our live programs and if you combine that fee, it is little more. But if you take NK Prime, then if you keep doing the live courses, then that you will get a very good discounts. You can calculate. Okay, so what are the programs? So you can see this is what we have inside. Okay, so the 50% discount on the live programs, mobile app discussion forum. This is a 1 year membership which contains CCNA plus content of 100 plus hours, Palo Alto Firewall 30 plus hours of content, cybersecurity 50 to 100 plus hours of content, Checkpoint Firewall 30 plus hours of content, 50, and all these programs are by engineers, not just normal trainers. Okay, don't worry, you will get a very good knowledge. So Python for network engineer 50 plus hours, Linux zero to hero 50 plus hours, CCNP enterprise 120 plus hours, Cisco ASA firewall 30 plus hours, MPLS BGP 10 to 15 hours of video, F5 LTM 30 plus hours of video, MCSA Windows Server 50 plus hours of video, SD-WAN Viptela, which is 30 plus hours of video, Cisco Meraki videos, Nexus switches videos, and there are some other courses also. Like I'm sure, like I have not written AWS, I think. Yeah, so AWS is there. So we missed to type here AWS Azure also. Okay, AWS videos, Azure videos. Okay, so we are also coming up within 1 year, guys. If you take this membership, we are going to plan this Docker, Kubernetes. Okay, so we are also planning the CISSP. Okay, CEH, already we have videos of CH. Okay, so we are also planning the Juniper courses. Okay, so JNCIA and JNCIS. Okay, so associate and specialist level. So we are also planning CCNP security videos. Okay, so currently we do not have plan of uh, others right now. So this is what we are planning for next 3-4 months. So this library is going to be the best library. I'm sure you already know some vendors in the market, but if you check our videos, it is completely in depth. Okay, if you try to watch some videos over the internet, they are also good, right? Most of Western people, okay, like you name it, CBT nuggets, INE, whatever, right? So definitely they are also good, but just check the content who is covering in depth. Okay, this is what I'm trying, because they make videos clear and crisp. Okay, but these videos what we are giving, they are our live batch recordings, so the students who are asking questions, that is also inside these videos. This is why the video pricing is not that cheap, like Udemy and all. Okay, because Udemy has many students and don't know what is the working. Even I have Udemy, I have 30,000 plus students on Udemy on some basic courses like network fundamental, or maybe I have CCNA basic videos. So I have almost 30,000 students on Udemy also. But what I'm trying to, the content is very premium here in comparison to those things. Okay. So how to join? So definitely you can take the membership from here. Okay. So we have 3 plans, guys, in this membership. Let me tell you. So these 3 plans in NK Prime. So we have 3 plans. One is annual plan, which contains the 1-year video and whatever webinars we do, like AWS webinar, Azure webinar, whatever. So this is part of annual plan. So another is like premium plan. Okay, so where you will get a 1-year video, 1-year video library, 100 hours of lab access. This is the first time anyone is giving the lab access. Okay, 100 hours of lab access where you will be able to perform your firewalls, routing, switching, mostly all the labs. Okay, and recorded live session of all the batches. Okay, suppose you took this membership, but you are not coming in the live courses. Suppose I'm taking CCNP batch next month, or I'm taking a firewall batch next month. So automatically these courses videos after course completion automatically added to the premium plan. Okay, but annual plan, like these are live recordings are not going to upload here. This is what it is. Okay. And there is another plan, which is unlimited plan. This is little costly, obviously, but yes, the value you are getting, it's so immense. इसमें इतना ज़्यादा value है. मतलब if you calculate it, it's a far better. If you feel like you will be able to complete mostly all the things, like you can go for this. Right now, these are on yearly membership. So comment below if you are thinking that we should also come with the monthly plan. Okay, suppose maybe the annual plan or this premium plan, which is below like 5,000-6,000 rupees or like $100 a month, where you will get all the videos, 100 hours lab. Okay, not every month, but in general. Okay, so maybe we'll see in the monthly plan, but just comment below if you feel like you want this plan. Okay, so the courses, if you see what courses we have, so already we have mentioned. So all the courses like CCNA, Palo Alto, cybersecurity, Checkpoint, Python, Linux, cloud, mostly all the programs are going to add it. So whatever we have here, you can see. Okay, cloud, AWS, Azure, CH, Linux, Red Hat, MCSA, VMware also. F5, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, FortiGate, ASA firewall. Okay. And these are CCNA, CCNP data center, OSPF, BGP, MPLS, CCNP security coming soon, CCI enterprise coming soon, and Python for network engineer, SD1. So only these 2 videos are going to added very soon, CCNP security and CCI enterprise. Now the final thing, NK Labs. NK Labs. So this membership is only for our internal students. Okay, but we are also planning to make it so cheap or so affordable that everyone can afford and do the labs in our servers. Okay, let me show you the server from inside. So this is powered by EVE-NG. So we have Dell latest servers where all the deployments are done. Suppose you want to do your lab. So this lab has multiple labs. Okay. So this is like shared lab. So you cannot build your own labs, but there are already many labs. Okay. Whenever you feel like you want to build your own lab, so you can just open a ticket and share the topology. We will build the lab for you. Okay. So there is, you do not have permission to build the labs, as we are making so affordable for everyone. So like you can see, you just need to turn on the devices, and there is a device also. This is like on the website. Suppose sometimes you cannot take your laptop in your office and you cannot install even GNS3 or packet tracer in your office laptop sometimes. So this is on the website. You will get a website. You can open this website anywhere. You can do some practicals in office also if you have spare time. Okay, so just you need to turn on the devices. And from small labs to bigger labs, we have all these things. You can see this is another lab. So you can just turn on the devices. Okay, so you can see here the devices are almost on, and you'll be able to open the devices. You can see the device is turning on. Okay, so you can see here, right? So this is like we are planning to start the lab access for external students also. Those who are not enrolled with the networkings, so they can also take the membership. Okay, so it is affordable right now. Okay, so this is what we are also planning. So the minimum we have thought, like it's very difficult to manage every month. So this is why we come up with the 3 months plan. So like you need to take, you can take the CCNA, Cisco labs. If you want to do practical on firewall, okay, maybe you can take the Cisco labs for 3 months. So when you are learning firewall from anywhere or maybe from networkings, with the networking courses, you are getting labs. But if you are somewhere, suppose you are watching some videos, or if you are some watching some courses on some other vendors, so you can still take this membership also, but only the cap is you need to take 3 months. Okay, so thank you all. So see you all. So we have a batch tomorrow. Those who are very beginners, so they can start with CCNA or MCSA, Linux, whatever. Okay. So the best way to contact networkings is to call the India toll-free number, or the second best, I would prefer to WhatsApp on the official number. So when you WhatsApp, please make sure that there is a green tick on the networking, so that you are actually texting us on the official number. Okay, this is our official number. Thank you all. Bye bye. Good night.